Welcome back, guys. Capitulation channel. Today, I would like to talk about Jasmy targets updates, mostly a local one for this token with my customer request. Let's dive in, guys. If you're not on my free Telegram channel, all content, all information always will be for free. I made a post, so I mark now. I created a watch list, and I will focus on some list of tokens to not spread too much attention for just hundreds of tokens. I'll focus on like 10, 20 tokens, what I trade mostly, what I track. So it's most basically popular token, what everybody talk around. I created a list here. So it's going to be the Near, DOT, ICP, Algo, BTC, Ethereum, and VeChain, ADA, HBAR, XRP, Jasmy, Link, Gala, and the Sol. Maybe by time I will add some, maybe I will remove some, maybe Gala I'll remove. Now I'm not trade so often Gala, but all of this I track all the time. So this is just a quick note about updates on the channel. So now mostly on my channels, you will see the videos with updates of local one, the middle term targets for that tokens. But it doesn't mean I will not post updates for all other tokens. Yes, I will post, but all other tokens will be just in a longer videos where I will include like 5, 10 tokens, and you now get a chance communicate with me, and leave a comments, in the comment section, right? Which token I should analyze the next one, and I will add that tokens maybe in a big video with timestamps. So it will be much more predictive for all of us. So take a look. The Jasmy global targets might take, So this is most positive case scenario. It's this fulfill. It's 14 cents and maybe 9 cents. So I don't believe in the high price targets. Previously, by mistake, I made a mistake. I believe it in the high price target because there was some rumors about the Jasmy maybe reduce the 50% of supply. But guys, it's just rumors. So we have to filter our feed, filter our news. But I believe it in that rumors, but rumors, just rumors. Maybe one day they will cut the 50% of supply. Because we saw the example how the which token, I don't remember exactly which one, is added 100 million, 50% of supply. Just added. So sometimes, guys, they can add, they can remove, they can do whatever they want, right, with supply. So globally, guys, take a look. This was a 3 drivers pattern. About 3 drivers pattern, I will make a video with explanation how it looks like. But on Jasmy now, you can find out. It looks perfectly well. So usually it's like, it's an impulse, some correction or the sideways, impulse, correction on the sideways, and last impulse. A lot of things I found out on the market, on some indicator, I found we formed the 3 times. Like that variancy on ADZ, I realized we all the time almost formed the 3 times. And after that pump, the 3 rise pattern, we formed the 3 times. And guys, remember this pattern. This is how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, crazy dump. And I found out this pattern works even on 1 hour time frame, on 4 hour time frame, on 5 minute time frame. Yes, it works. I found out, especially on 5 minute time frame, it works between the sessions, between the London and for example, a New York session. So it's really interesting pattern. So I don't think so it was the end of cycle for the Jasmy, but guys, keep in mind, Jasmy already pumped a pretty good one. So here, since December 2022, we already pumped at 2,000% gains. So the people who wait some 10,000% gains or so, just guys, better reduce your expectation, because not all the time the tokens pump 10,000% gains. And take a look, the 5,000% gains 200, it will be the fulfill of monthly gap here, 14 cents. It will be insane rally, 5,000% gains, guys. Now locally, this is here. We come back to the monthly gap. Take a look. We close or not the fulfill? No, not yet. It's not necessary, so we should all the time dump to 0.5 level by FIB. It's 1 cent 10, but we can. That's why I wish to see next week before or after Fed rate, right? When the Fed decision about rates, I wish to see that drop to 0.5 level by FIB. This one. So for me personally, it will be more bullish. Then we will bounce from these current prices and go higher. Because I don't want to see this move fulfill of monthly block, and after that April, May dump again. So we're gonna waste the time, and summer chop like this one, and only after that, so we're gonna waste the time. So I'd rather see that drop now to the close of the monthly gap, not even fulfill, just 0.5 level FIB, and start climbing up to the top in April, May, and summer, maybe some sideways, and autumn new high, this level. So this is the way. So, but who knows? Who knows, guys? Who knows? Now we can work only with that data, what we get now. So locally, yes, of course, we come back and test the monthly gap. Technically, we bounce, so we get some reaction. That's why I want to see the indicator set. What's going on here is the accumulation. So here, this is accumulation, divergence, pump. And this is what I told you about the 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. Divergence on the weekly pump. So the same story can be now. This is a bigger divergence, even like it was in October 2022. So of course, the worst case scenario, we can form the divergence again and form something like this one. We can't know, but based on the time, I think yes, the April, May can be some reversal, and I wish to see this one. Take a look. We are on a weekly here at the beginning of. Not a beginning, at the end of February, we are in the capitulation zone. It's a good one. Last time when we traded in the capitulation zone on Jasmy, it was October 2023. What happened next? You know. So just work with the history, right? Take a look at the daily one. Yes, it's capitulation, total disbelief. This is accumulation on Jasmy. Pretty aggressively, the whales accumulated Jasmy. Last time it was September 2024, October 2024. We pump it. But that time we got to like trigger and expectation from the Trump United States election. Now, just to be sure, guys, this order flow, all the time I explain you the same story. 50% of that order flow we will close. And we will go higher or we reject and going down. 50% definitely, I guess we will close. That's why for me better to drop now to 0.5 level FIB and climb it up to the top. Then now bounce to 50% of that order flow, come back and grab a liquidity in summer or May. Sell in May and go away. So because I hate to waste the time. That's why, guys, once again, it's never the mistake to fix a profit. Money power trade on daily. Finally, here the main signal to sell on the daily was in the beginning of December 9. Here, this March 9, we got to like close short position from that sell. So you can use this set. Of course, you can't trade only by indicator signal, only one special for trade on, because the people chase the signals, buy, sell. No, but it's give you a lot of like additional and confident information, right, for the trades. Here was a signal to buy. That's why I wish to see the drop, another signal to buy and going higher. There's a lot of here, 1, 2. 2 RSI bullish divergence, 2 MACD bullish divergence. This is a money inflow, so everything okay. A daily time frame also. Last time we saw the money inflow in October 2022. Here's again. Imagine after 3 years, finally we're way higher than we traded in October 2022, but we see the money inflow finally. 1, 2, 3 was money outflow. So now, guys, for me personally, it's more bullish signals than it was, I don't know, 2 or 3 months ago. Take profit, guys. So the last indicator here, we tested a buy line. Believe it or not, but a lot of cases when we come back on a weekly and test the buy line. So I wish to see the test, the fundamental value of this token, or at least 50%. So like 1 cent round number, but it's not necessary. So I will see this next week because we got like buyers here. Daily time frame, we trade on the fundamental value. 12 time frame, this is what I will want to see. Here, the 50% of the range, it's 1 cent 17, and the fundamental value of Jasmy is 0.2099. So this personal for me is going to be the good entry to buy. Take profit is here, 2 cents 65, 12 time frame, 3 cents 45. Yes, it's around the 50% range of this order flow. So guys, my wishes is to see that drop again Monday, Tuesday, maybe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 days down, grab that liquidity, bouncing, going higher by in last week of March and going higher in April, May. So guys, all targets I showed you. For me personally, now more bullish than bearish signals on the chart. If you like to trade with my custom said what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.